Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you are new, a warm welcome to you as well. A clean home is a healthy home. It's a sanctuary where we can relax and feel at ease. When our living spaces are tidy and organized, it not only looks good, but also contributes to our overall well-being. Cleanliness is more than just a chore. It's a way to show love and care for ourselves and our surroundings. This is especially true for seniors. As we age, maintaining a clean home becomes even more crucial. It helps in creating a safe environment, free from hazards that could lead to falls or injuries. A clean home can also be a welcoming space for family and friends, fostering social connections and reducing feelings of isolation. As we age, our bodies become more susceptible to germs and illnesses. Regular cleaning and disinfecting can help to minimize the spread of harmful bacteria and viruses. Simple habits like washing hands frequently and using hand sanitizer can make a significant difference in maintaining our health. Keeping our living spaces clean can also support our immune system, making it easier to fight off infections. A clean home can help to reduce the risk of infections and keep us feeling our best. It can also improve air quality by reducing dust, mold, and allergens. This is particularly important for seniors who may have respiratory issues or allergies. A clean environment can lead to better sleep, more energy, and an overall sense of well-being. A clean home is also a happier home. When our surroundings are neat and orderly, it can lift our spirits and improve our mood. It creates a positive atmosphere where we can enjoy our daily activities without the distraction of clutter. A tidy home can also be a source of pride, giving us a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Clutter and dirt can be overwhelming and stressful. They can make it difficult to find things and create a sense of chaos. This can lead to increased anxiety and frustration. For seniors, who may already be dealing with other stressors, a cluttered home can add to their burden. It's important to address these issues to create a more peaceful living environment. A clean and organized space can promote feelings of calm and peace. It allows us to focus on the things that matter most, like spending time with loved ones or pursuing hobbies. An orderly home can also make daily tasks easier and more efficient, saving time and reducing stress. For seniors, this can mean more independence and a higher quality of life. This is so important for seniors who may be experiencing other life changes. Whether it's downsizing, dealing with health issues, or adjusting to retirement, a clean home can provide stability and comfort. It can be a place of refuge where they can feel safe and secure. Maintaining a clean home can also be a way to stay active and engaged, providing a sense of purpose and routine. Remember, a clean home can make a big difference in your overall well-being. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a healthy and happy living environment. Taking the time to clean and organize can have lasting benefits for both physical and mental health. It's an investment in your quality of life. It can be a source of pride and joy. Seeing the results of your efforts can be incredibly rewarding. A clean home reflects the care and attention you put into your living space. It can also inspire others to follow your example, creating a ripple effect of positivity and cleanliness. Let's explore ways to make cleaning easier and more manageable. There are many tips and tools available to help seniors maintain a clean home without feeling overwhelmed. From simple cleaning routines to using the right products, we can find solutions that work for everyone. Together, we can create a clean, healthy, and happy home. As we age, cleaning can become more difficult. Tasks that were once simple and quick can now take much longer and require more effort. This can be frustrating and exhausting for many seniors. Our bodies may not move as easily as they once did. Mobility issues can make it hard to get around the house, and even small movements can cause discomfort or pain. We may experience pain, stiffness, or decreased range of motion. Arthritis and other age-related conditions can make it difficult to perform everyday tasks, including cleaning. These changes can make it challenging to bend, reach, and scrub. Simple tasks like reaching for items on a high shelf or bending down to clean the floor can become daunting. Vision changes are also common with age. As our eyesight deteriorates, it can be harder to see the dirt and grime that needs to be cleaned. It may be harder to see dust, spills, or cobwebs. This can lead to areas being missed during cleaning, which can be frustrating and lead to a less clean home. This can make it more difficult to clean effectively. When you can't see what needs to be cleaned, it's easy to miss spots and not achieve the level of cleanliness you desire. It's important to acknowledge these challenges. Understanding and accepting the difficulties that come with aging can help in finding solutions and making cleaning more manageable. Don't feel discouraged if cleaning feels overwhelming at times. It's normal to feel this way, and taking breaks and asking for help can make a big difference. There are ways to make it more manageable. Using ergonomic tools, breaking tasks into smaller steps, and seeking assistance when needed can help seniors maintain a clean and comfortable home. Break down cleaning tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. This approach can make the process less overwhelming and more achievable. Start by listing all the tasks you need to complete, then prioritize them based on importance and urgency. Instead of trying to clean the entire house at once, focus on one room or even one task at a time. This method allows you to see progress quickly, which can be motivating. For instance, you might start with the living room today and move to the kitchen tomorrow. For example, clean the bathroom sink one day and the toilet another day. Breaking tasks down this way ensures that you don't overexert yourself and can maintain a steady pace. Take breaks. Cleaning can be tiring, especially if you have mobility issues or health concerns. Short, frequent breaks can help you recharge and prevent fatigue. Listen to your body and rest when you need to. Stretching or doing light exercises during breaks can also help keep your muscles from getting stiff. Sit down to fold laundry or dust furniture. This can reduce strain on your back and legs, making the tasks more comfortable and less tiring. Ask for help if you need it. There's no shame in seeking assistance, whether it's from family members, friends, or professional services. Don't be afraid to reach out to family, friends, or neighbors for assistance. Many people are more than willing to lend a hand, and it can make the cleaning process much more manageable and even enjoyable. Helpful tools and aids. There are many tools and aids that can make cleaning easier for seniors. Long-handled dusters and reachers can help you clean high and low areas without straining. A lightweight vacuum cleaner is easier to maneuver. Consider using a shower chair or bath bench to make bathing safer and more comfortable. Non-slip mats in the bathroom and kitchen can prevent falls. These tools can make a big difference in your ability to clean safely and independently. Safety first. Always prioritize safety when cleaning. Avoid using step stools if possible. If you must use one, make sure it is sturdy and have someone hold it for you. Keep your cleaning supplies in easy-to-reach places. Avoid storing heavy items on high shelves. Wear comfortable, supportive shoes while cleaning to prevent slips and falls. Use cleaning products with good ventilation to avoid inhaling fumes. Emotional and physical benefits of a clean home. A clean home can have a positive impact on both your physical and emotional well-being. A clean environment reduces allergens and germs, leading to fewer illnesses and better respiratory health. A clean home can reduce stress and anxiety. It can boost your mood and improve your sleep. Remember, a clean home can contribute to a healthier and happier you. Keep your home clean. Keep your spirits high. Keeping a clean home is a vital part of healthy aging. While it may present some challenges, there are practical solutions and helpful aids to make it easier. Remember to break down tasks, use helpful tools, prioritize safety, and ask for help when needed. Embrace the positive impact a clean home has on your physical and emotional well-being. It's not just about cleanliness. It's about creating a comfortable and healthy environment to thrive in your golden years. If you found this video helpful, text GOLDEN in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.